Man, out here super bright and early. Wheels ain't turned straight. Trying to get them to be able to turn so we can put it on the trailer. So, about to go to the frame shop. Up early before work, trying to get this together. I already got the all the parts and everything. So once we can get these wheels straight, then it's gonna go up on the trailer. I actually had to get this U-Haul, one of the little small ones. They ain't had no truck, but whatever, it don't matter. Got my parts loaded up. Got the trailer ready. Finna put the truck on the trailer. Because it don't run, we took all that stuff apart last time. Gonna put it on backwards because we're not going that far. But gonna put it on backwards. And then once we get to the spot, we'll be able to roll it straight up into Buddy's spot. But gonna use the winch on the trailer, and I'm probably just gonna back it up right here on the decline, so that way it help it go on the trailer. But we'll see. Got a little bit of my garage back. I decided not to go and get my old truck, so this is what I end up having to get right here. Box U-Haul truck, but shoot, it took forever to get this thing on here because my winch power is set up for this truck, but the wires aren't long enough to put this truck on the trailer. So I got a winch, it got it up there probably about 90% of the way, and then after that had to get ratchet straps and push and pull and get an extra hand, and golly, but finally got it up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it over to the frame shop, see what he can do for me, man. Got my baby off. Got a nice setup here. You're gonna go ahead and get me right. Got that big old winch. Say he made this just for us. Go ahead and get this thing together. Go ahead and get these parts out of here so we can get out of his way. He can do his thing. I'll get it. Alright, so we're back out at the greatest parts store in the world. And we already found our victim. I needed a couple of parts. I needed the shroud around the fan. I needed the air filter set up. And then I needed a couple of bolts that go on the hooks in the front. Outside of that, the frame guy said he got it straight, so we're gonna end up going to check that out in a little bit. Not today, but tomorrow. And had to come and get these parts here before anybody else took them, because this car only been here a couple of days. And shoot, somebody already came and got the top end off this thing. As long as they ain't get the parts that I need, though. Matter of fact, one of the parts I ain't even have to wrench nothing. Just go ahead and take it off and put it on put it on the cart. But I needed a couple of bolts, air filter pieces, and the shroud for the fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them off and get out of this cold weather. It's about 48 degrees. 48 degrees, a brisk 48 degrees out here, and I might be in Texas, but I'm still a Florida boy, so it's cold, it's freezing. I'll go ahead and get up out of this weather. We're gonna get to it. Man, came out and got these parts all loaded up. Of course, no warranties. When you're dealing with LKQ, no warranties, but shoot, the parts I needed online, used, was $180. I got extra stuff, and that's how much I paid. Greatest parts store in the world. But now we're gonna get it together. About to go to work now, but tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up the car. I'm gonna go pick it up, take it back to the house, and then whenever we got some more time, we're gonna go ahead and get on this thing. And so yet another early and cold morning. About to go and pick up the truck though, and had to come get a U-Haul truck. And I guess everybody tech savvy now. U-Haul got the, you know, where you just get your key code. Let's see, door number 2. Okay. Yeah, anyway, so got the keys. Well, here we are again. And we're back at the spot. All that trash still on this thing. Looking down the line, it looked pretty straight. You never really know. Hook me up with the whatchamacallit. Yeah, put the hood on there. Some lines right there. Now this piece right here, I guess it was off. Oh, that piece there. Oh, that one piece ain't on here, huh? That. I guess he just used it to line it up straight. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I guess as far as I can tell, it's straight. What's going on, man? So, truck is looking pretty decent. I mean, it is the tow haul, so, you know, whatever. But, I guess everything's alright. Lines look pretty good. Look like we all good there. Look like the next person in line already. Jackson Paint and Body in Porter, Texas. What we're gonna do is put the truck back on into here, and then put the racks halfway up here. That way it's not such a steep incline to put it on the trailer, because that's where we struggled last time, trying to get that last little bit, because it was such a steep incline going up the ramp with my winch. So once we get it up on here, then we'll back the truck up, and then it should just kind of go, we want it to go pretty much just straight across onto this trailer, and that'll help us out a lot. So he got the wheels to where they would turn now, so that was previously the hard part. Hopefully this time it'll be a whole lot easier, and getting it off the truck too, so we'll see.
Should be. Yeah, back it up.
Alright, so it's up there. Barely. It's barely up there, but we ain't going but a couple miles. Get this thing back to the house, start getting it put together. Man's been paid. And that's why I like working with the little guys, the small guys, small business guys. He said, if you got any problems, you bring it back. Don't question. Don't just call me, make sure I'm here. I appreciate that. Well, dang, man, I couldn't get my car started because I didn't have my keys, and now I think I might have left them in the U-Haul, because I done went to the house, didn't find them in the truck, didn't find them in the house. So the guy where I got the framework done say he didn't see them, so might be a last ditch effort.
Take a peek in there. We're gonna lock the other side. Check on the bit.
Oh man. Yeah, I see him. Yep, dang on cubby hole. Appreciate it, man. So now we got keys, and yeah, guess we can go on with the rest of the day. Took U-Haul, they whipped back. Pretty much got everything together now. Got all the pieces that I need, so the gonna put the truck back together. Put everything back together, make sure it's all straight, make sure it's all aligned, get the truck back running, and then after we get the truck back running, maybe we'll be able to get back on the car. But you know, after the key fiasco, I just kind of wasted too much time to really get anything started on the truck. So we are going to wait for another day where we got some time and some decent weather to go ahead and get the truck back together, and then go from there. So see y'all next video.